Hey guys, today I'll be showing you where to find Mt.shiveers, animals and things. So, the leaf is over here, tree. The juniper berries are blue and green, and they have a very strong taste and smell. Then there's also this dandelion. Very nice dandelion. I know it's a Helmelia poppy. The leaves and stem of Helmelia poppies are covered in sharp spines. What's up next? Oh yeah, we have this. We have the slate. Yeah, so just click on that. Slate door form when shale is exposed to immense heat and pressure. Oh, we got the gold. Oh, look at the chickens. Oh, click on those. Yeah, so these, partridges are game birds, which means they are hunted for their meat. And also the gold. Gold has been prized among television since ancient times. And there's also, oh wait, I forgot this. Yeah, this permafrost. Click on that. So permafrost is soil that stays frozen for years at a time. Depending on what different minerals are in soil, different patterns can form in the permafrost. And there is also, I think up here somewhere, there is a goat. Oh no, the yak. Let's go do the yak. The cloud is so long, so click on the yak. Yak's a type of wild cattle that lives in Asia at high elevations ranging from 10,000 to 18,000 feet. Okay. And then there was also the goat. Let's see what's coming up. No. Let's see what else we have. So we've done that. Oh, the red panda. Red panda's down here. And you go into this hot spring. Oh no, he's found. He's gonna climb up this tree. He's really easy to spot, because he just does this over and over again. So you want to click on the red panda. Red pandas are also called lesser pandas and firefoxes. And then the goat should be here by now. Let's go. Oh yeah, he was jumping. See, there he is. Look on the goat, mountain goat. Million Tahara. Everyone else has a goat-like animals that live on some of the steepest hills and mountains live in the world. They live in 2 to 30 animals in a group. What others do we have here? I'll click on that. This his name. Leming. Lemings are rodents and are related to mice. He's gone now. And I think we're down to the last ones. Oh yeah, we're down to the moth. Hawk moth. Hawk moth appears over here, so you gotta wait for that. Just sit. You can end the video now if you like. Just remember to subscribe and like, and hope you liked it. Bye. Well, the video's gonna end soon. Bye.